Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. So we are now ready to create the customer master. We have already done in our previous sections the employee master and supplier master. Now it's time to let's talk about the customer master. We have brought the data in here, the customer sheet. We have brought the data from the Northwind database. It has a customer table. We have copied it and pasted it our inside our file, and there is a customer sheet, and all these data is made available. Okay. Now the task is to bring this in our as a part of our interface. So what we need to do is we copy the supplier master button to the customer master, and then we have assigned a macro to it. Let's edit it and show you. Yeah, this was all the supplier. Now we have made it. We have replaced it with the customer, and and here we have specified what procedure to run, that is customer master. And what is customer master? This is the customer master procedure, which only shows the customer form. Where is the customer form? We have made it. We have showed you how to make a form, uh, how to make a duplicate form. So it's a duplicate of supplier form. All we did is that we double click on it. We went to this and temporarily we saved it. We renamed it to customer, and then we exported it. We exported this form to the customer, and then after this we once it was exported, then we rename it back as a supplier, all right? And then to bring the customer form inside our module, we imported. We said import the file. So we chose the customer. So this form was begun. But when we see this form, it is actually a duplicate of supplier. So we have to change this information accordingly. Replace supplier with the customer. Yeah. Replace the caption, right? It was written supplier, so we made it customer, right? Next is what we did is we went to the initialize object, the initialize of the event, initialize event of the form, in which we made the necessary adjustment. Here it was written supplier, we made it customer, we made it customer here, right? And we made it customer instead of supplier. That's it, right? So now we are ready to see the newly imported this customer master. Click in here. So we have put a breakpoint here just to see the what is happening. Okay, so this is the form. It was previously supplier master. We have reshaped it. We have renamed it, and with the customer. So the keeping the supplier itself means intact. Yeah? This is a supplier form. All the suppliers are listed, and uh, this is customer master, all the customers are displayed. Okay. Now, when we double click on any customer, for example, this is vector, we double click on it. So the vector runner, yeah, company J is our customer with the contact name is vector run, that's right. We can make the changes and then update it. Updation is here is yes or no. You have to mention it. You want to update, so it makes the update as explained in the previous. So this is how we keep on adding the things because and why was it is so simple? Because while creating the employee master, we thought uh, the futuristic aspect of the program that what we are about to achieve. So in order to accommodate all the futuristic probabilities or and futuristic requirements, uh, we we developed one thing that was employee master. So that was later on used. And when we click on anything, means it if we want to go to edit an employee. So this is a common form. It is a common form. It is being used as it is in all the other master data amendments, right? So this is uh, brief, a short example that how object-oriented programming is and how you make quick development setup of means your development exercises and practices should be in a futuristic manner that when you design a form and you believe that this is going to be used again and again, so then you avoid the any hard coding and you make it flexible so that any other part of the program can utilize it. So I hope you find it interesting. And our next session is for the product master, inshallah. The same thing we will do, and it will be a practice as well. And later on, once we complete all these scenarios, then we can proceed to other functions like purchase order entry, purchase order reports, and sale order entry and sale order reports like this. Okay. Thank you very much. See you then.